Hi you guys, so I had to come on here and give you guys a quick review of the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright 2 PR wheel. You can also get these individually. I used a couple of these today, and one of the things that I wanted to try out was waterproof graphic eyeliner, mainly because it's gonna get hot, we're gonna go to parties, we're gonna get to the club, and water ink liners, you know, the water activated ones, if you sweat a lot or whatever the case, you get wet, they're gonna drip. So I did some of these here, the candle itself, with the gel pots. The gel pots, they tend to be transfer proof, so they will dry down matte, and any water that gets on them, they won't come off. I also tried to wash them off my hands, and budge proof unless you like use soap and scrub them off. So that is summer proof and something I was interested in and finally found. As for these are the primer gels, primer base. These are really cool. As you can see on my cheeks, I don't have an orange blush for my skin tone, too ashy, the ones that I have. So I tried this and it's the dewiest. You can build the color, it's the best, and it'll stay on amazing. You can also use them as lip color, as you can see. And of course, the primary use of these for the eyes blew my mind, and I'm completely in love, especially since I have so many colors. And finally, the liner pencil. They're awesome for the inner waterline. A lot of people ask me what I use for those. I've used others in the past and they kind of die on you, but these are really awesome and they come in different colors and they don't irritate your eyes. So I'm through the roof with these, and hopefully you guys will stay tuned for my tutorials using them so you can see how amazing they are. Thank you guys. That has been my quick review. If you guys like quick reviews, let me know and I'll include them more often. See you guys later.